how to set League of Legends to high priority. Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set League of Legends to high priority. Now first you have to go to your taskbar and click on it, right click on it, and here you'll find the task manager, and then you will find the League of Legends. It's recently working in my background of my PC. Now you have to go to details, and from here you need to find a league client.exe. Now you can see the status is running here. Now you just need to right click on it, and here you can set the priority and click on high to set this to high priority. You can also set is above normal, and then you can check it from processes. You can see the memory uses and CPU uses here. Also you can go to graphics settings. If it's turned off, then toggle it to turn on. Click on browse button, and you need to find the League of Legends client, league client. Now you can search for it. Here it is, League of Legends, and the league client. Now also you can search for the full name, the League of Legends. Now click on it to add this to your graphics settings. Now here you will find two options, option and remove. Click on option, and here you can set it at high performance according to your GPU, but for now I'm removing it and I'm turning off my graphics settings. And there you have it. That's how you can set League of Legends to high priority. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.